Hoover.
Hi,
Right?
Hoover.
Hey, Hoover.
Hoover.
Hi. Hi,
Hey.
Lily. Hi. See, in daycare you play with the big dog.
And that's Nala.
Hi, Nala.
Yeah.
You want to go in?
You want to see?
Okay, come on, let's go in.
Just do some smells. Yeah. And I think all of them are humpers too. So
She's yep.
oh, good. Okay.
She's
So
in that stage, and I'm like, okay, you don't hump.
well, she's 4 and she still humps. So
She's 1.
I hate
I'm like, yeah. You want to go in?
Yay.
Thank you. You want to go? Yeah, little baby. Can I take you off your leash?
No, Louie Lou. No. Where do you guys think you're going?
Make her more comfortable. See, when a dog on a leash, they feel restrained.
Here, look. Come here, baby. Let's take you off.
Come back in. No.
Look.
You're not going out
There
there.
you go.
There you go.
Come on.
Freedom.
Come on.
Go play. Go.
Smell the butts.
New York. She's like, well, I'm cornered, so.
No.
Hey, baby. Hi. You tired? Oh, that was fast. That was short-lived. Hi. Hi.
Wow, so fast. He said border collie.
I'm gonna kick your ass, Hoover.
Mixed with a couple of things. I know border collie for sure, but I'm not sure what else. Like she's
Where?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Dior.
My God, instigator.
Hoover, man, you look real tired.
Oh, weirdo. Come on. She has the energy to eat a couch.
Oh, does she?
Come
Oh, she's done. He's done too. I'm gonna take him home now. Well, thank you. Say thank you, Hoover. She gave you water. What do you say?
Come on.
All right, man. I think that's a wrap. Let's go. You're not running.